Hey guys, welcome to episode 38 of Portfolio Update. I hope you guys are having a great Thursday so far. For today, we are currently down 4.25%. That's around $289. This makes it, I believe, the third red day in a row. But we are still up for the week, so that's good. This was the biggest pullback we've had this week, around 4%, while yesterday was a 2%, and Tuesday was around I think it was like less than 1%. So Shell's currently down 4.39%, around $1.70, which is kind of expected, just because we haven't gotten any news or news on the merger date and the size of Shell's run up on Monday. So a lot of people are just taking their profits, but it's still up 27% for the week, so pretty good. I considered, when it hit right here, I considered buying, selling a few SPAQ shares just to buy into Shell or buy Shell call, but the calls really didn't dip too much off of this. I feel like a lot of people who had Shell knew that it would be going up pretty soon, so they didn't sell. It was just a lot of the people who hopped on Shell recently just because of what they've heard from other people, and they really didn't believe in Shell. So I ended up not buying it, but who knows, if tomorrow it ends up going down even more, I will probably buy, considering SPAC still hovering around the $13 range, so would it be too bad to sell some SPAC and my losses would be minimized. Talking about my Shell call is down 18%. That's $145. I'm still up 182%, so that's $420. Still planning on holding this call. This call has about 2 weeks left, a little 2-3-ish weeks. So I'm definitely expecting merger date to be out by then, and SPAC to be nicely above $40. So SPAC is down 1.94%. Pretty boring day. Most of its fall came in pre-market and traded sideways the rest of the day. Yeah, this is kind of what we expect from SPAC. SPAC really can't hold on to any of its gains. Usually goes up and then right back down, so not too disappointed in it. I just hope it performs way better once it approaches its merger date. So this is what we like to see from EROS. EROS is up 4% for the day, 4.23%. It's getting close to 3. Hopefully it can break into the 3s this weekend, or not this weekend, tomorrow. So next week, when September starts, it can be in the 3 range for the September investor event. I think it will leave EROS in a strong position. So for my $5 calls, I do think there is hope for those, but for the $7.50 or the $7.50 calls, I do think that I was just a little too bullish on it. They were pretty cheap, but as you can see, they are pretty worthless. I'll just probably hold them through till the end. Why not? But the $5 calls, I do think there is a chance that EROS might hit it, depending on what kind of content EROS provides. If this is an investor event, hopefully it is something meaningful enough to move the stock. IVR is up around 1.7% for the day, pretty good. My call is up 3% overall, or for the day, and overall I am down 46%. But I do think that most of these calls are reasonable. $7 for IVR by 2022. Are you serious? The stock 3 months ago was, or not 3 months ago. 3 months ago, the stock was at $6.99 or $6.90. So I definitely think that IVR could be back near $10 in by 2020 for sure. So we're at the end of episode 38 of Portfolio Update. Pretty solid week so far, but for today it was kind of harsh. But you can't get stuck in the day-to-days. You just have to have your thesis, your long-term plan, and stick to that. Well, Friday's gonna be interesting. I wonder if Shell's gonna have another pullback or if it's gonna have another rocket day. Hopefully it's a rocket day, but like I said, merger date news is really what should be driving the stock. Right now, I think it was a lot of people trying to get in before the merger date, and a lot of people didn't get that merger date news as soon as they would have liked, so they're selling off. But hopefully the merger date is sometime soon. I expected it to be before September, but it seems like they wanted to play closer, so I'll just keep an ear out for that and let September treat us well. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do me the favor of hitting that like button and considering subscribing. We're almost at 100, which is crazy. I just started this as a kind of journal for myself so I could look back and see my portfolio and go over my decisions as an investor. So I enjoy that you guys are here with me, joining me on my investing journey. Let me know how your day's going and how your portfolio is performing. I enjoy talking with you guys in the comment section and hearing what you guys have to say about stocks and some of the plays I make. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Deuce.